What if I told you that in just a few hours, the world outside your window could completely disappear? No roads, no power, no rescue, just wind screaming at 70 miles per hour. Snow falling so fast it buries cars in minutes, and temperatures so low exposed skin freezes in under 10 minutes. This is not just winter. This is a blizzard warning. And tonight, we are going deep inside one of nature's most terrifying forces. A blizzard is not just heavy snow. According to the National Weather Service, a blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds or gusts reach 35 miles per hour or higher. Visibility drops below 1/4 mile. Conditions last for at least 3 hours. It's not the snow alone that kills. It's the wind, it's the cold, it's the isolation. And history has proven when those three combine, disaster follows. Blizzards form when a strong low-pressure system intensifies. Arctic air collides with moist air. Temperature drops rapidly. Wind pressure tightens across regions. These storms are most common in the northern United States, especially states like North Dakota, Minnesota, South Dakota, Wisconsin. But they can strike anywhere cold air meets strong systems. The terrifying part is even after snow stops falling, the wind can continue creating ground blizzards, lifting snow back into the air, turning highways into white tunnels of confusion. You can be driving 1 second and blind the next. Blizzards don't just inconvenience people, they trap them. In 1996, the Northeast was paralyzed by the North American blizzard of 1996. Over 150 deaths, billions in damages, entire cities shut down. And in 1977, the Buffalo blizzard of 1977 left people stranded in their cars for days. Imagine sitting in your vehicle, fuel running low, phone battery dying. Outside, wind howling like a living creature. Rescue crews couldn't see, helicopters couldn't fly, even snowplows were buried. A blizzard doesn't just freeze the landscape, it freezes time. There are 3 silent killers. 1. Hypothermia. When body temperature drops below 95 degrees F, confusion sets in, speech slurs, the body shuts down. Frostbite. Ears, fingers, nose, frozen in minutes. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Many victims die not from cold, but from running generators indoors or cars in enclosed spaces. The storm may end, but the danger lingers. In December 2022, a massive winter storm crippled much of the U.S. Cities like Buffalo experienced historic snowfall and whiteout conditions. Emergency services were overwhelmed, power grids failed, thousands were trapped during holiday travel. Climate scientists warn that extreme weather patterns are intensifying. Warmer air holds more moisture. More moisture means heavier snow when cold air hits. The question is no longer if blizzards will come, it's how strong they will be. If a blizzard warning is issued, stay indoors. Stock food and water for at least 3 days. Keep flashlights and batteries ready. Avoid travel at all costs. If trapped in a vehicle, run engine 10 minutes per hour. Clear exhaust pipe. Stay visible. Stay inside. Preparation is not fear, it's survival. Blizzards remind us of something powerful. We are advanced, we are connected, we are modern, but against nature's full force, we are still vulnerable. If this documentary opened your eyes, subscribe for more deep dive disaster stories. And remember, when the warning comes, respect it, because the storm doesn't care who you are.